Hi everyone. The 18-19 school year provided an opportunity for all of us to unpack our standards and basically unpacking the standards with a purpose in order to have standards-based instruction. The why for this, it ensured all teachers had the opportunity to explore the standards. It provided an opportunity for you to identify what our students need to know and be able to do, then to determine how and what to assess based on those standards, and to develop lesson plans utilizing the social studies practices will help best students learn those standards. So we focused on the know and be able to do this year, and we'll be leading into assessment and lesson planning. And most importantly, standards-based instruction provides equity of access for all ODS students. And therefore, unpacking those standards helps us identify how we can best teach those to our kids. UBD Stage 1, we completed this year. So we determined our enduring understandings, our essential questions, and then you broke down those standards to give the knowledge and skills that kids need to know and be able to do in order to achieve the standard. What we learned, we defined in very specific terms exactly what students should know and be able to do to master a given standard. We've learned our standards are rigorous and complex, and students are going to need work towards mastery in multiple units throughout the year and also multiple grade levels. They created conversations around mastery versus proficiency of skills and allowed us to develop benchmarks based on how often those skills were identified throughout the year. This is not the end of the standards. They will continue. They will help us in developing thoughtful, rigorous, and well-aligned college and career readiness lessons from standards to assessments to learning experiences. So at this time, turn off the video and there's a discussion board for you to complete regarding where you've been with your standards and where you see them going in the school year 1920. Thanks.